We've got Swiftly shutters here today.
Oh yeah, sorry. We've
That's
got
all right.
Swiftly shutters here today.
Yeah, it's done.
One done.
One done.
I'm going to go in and have a look.
Do you know the definition of danger, sir?
I'm going to go through here, Uncle.
It means...
Uncle's the painter, if you ain't seen him before. Let's have a look. Oh, look at them. Lovely. Nice. What you doing, mate?
I am putting a learner plate on this fella's van because that was the most painful thing.
Worse than me.
Nearly worse than you. So I've used
Yeah, nice. That looks like an L plate as well.
Just a little learner plate. Let me go and get him.
Hello.
Oh, has that one just been done as well?
Yes.
Let's
Would
have
you
a
like
look.
to have a look?
Yes. You can be my guide.
Come hither.
Look at that.
Look. How amazing are these?
Cal,
Sick. Yeah?
come in, mate.
Oh, I'm coming.
Oh, I've just broken
Oh
it.
no, oh no.
Thank you.
Right. Where are we going?
Sorry, did you have that set?
Yeah, I'm trying to... Sorry, mate. Michael? Yeah, come here, mate. I've got something to show you.
There's Francis, the main man.
The main man.
Them stairs are looking good.
They're not good. They can't better than I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, do we not have enough paint for that middle bit?
Nah.
Ah.
Just like the front doorstep.
We did say we were going to keep some of the original features, so we
Yeah.
thought we had a bit of new and a bit of art. Yeah, I'll get you. You're very creative.
Mate, we've done a 15-point turn to reverse in the drive.
All right, mate.
All right.
No football today because we're doing stuff around the house. We've got
Yeah.
shutters going up.
Yeah.
We've got the lot going on today. Francis is back. We've got the carpet men coming in.
Yeah.
I'm out of breath because I just run up the stairs. I've got you a little present, right? Because when we're at football and when you're lying in bed in the morning and you don't know what time it is, you need to be able to know what time it is when at football, when we've got to come home and stuff like that. So I thought I'd get you a little gift. It's not...
What is it?
I think you'll like it.
Don't know what it is.
Have a look.
What's this?
A Chelsea watch. Yeah? So you can wear it when you play football and it comes up just with like the big numbers. You wear it when you're at football and then, do you know when we don't know the time and we've got to get back to like the house and that because we get 2 hours. So I thought if you put it on, yeah?
Yeah.
Sick, bro. And it's a Chelsea one as well. Yeah?
Practice my room as well.
All right, let's get it out.
Me and Sage are on garbage.
Garbage right here.
How speaking space as usual.
Garbage.
Sorry, you're putting me in the back of the
Not very exciting what you're eating there,
Put that
Cal.
big bit of garbage.
It is
What is
a
it?
ham
And cheese.
and cheese sub.
It looks awful.
Tastes nice.
We found the big bit of garbage.
Oh,
Excuse me.
you've got to be big enough.
In the van, garbage van.
Big bit of garbage.
Frank, what's the time, mate?
128.
1:28. All right, cheers, mate. I've got to go and carry on filming. What was that in your mouth?
It's a new band we decided to do in.
Oh, you're in a new band.
Yeah.
Maybe you're the rapper.
Yeah, I know, I'm the lead singer.
You're the lead singer.
I'm the lead rapper.
Lead rapper. The girl's calling me at 3 a.m.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
I'm gonna put some chocolate in my basket.
Man's still waking up to his rasted.
Yeah.